Hello, namaste, welcome to Greetero. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. In the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using this reading will also be listed in the description box below. Okay. So today's pick a card reading is about your October month, how your October month will be, October month's prediction. Okay, remember these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do the overall energy for your October month first, and then we will be talking about your love, career, finances, blessings, and then guidance from spirit, then messages from your ancestors and angels, and then wisdom for the month of October. So that is the thing I'm gonna do. Okay, so yeah, so I have three groups over here. For first group we have sodalite crystal, then group number 2 we have carnelian, and for group number 3 we have citrine crystal. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition, and choose a pile that calls to you intuitively, or choose a crystal that calls to you intuitively. So the timestamps will be given in the description box below. If you want more time, please pause the video, take your time, and then select a pile. Okay, so I'm going to start with group number 1. Group number 1, if you have chosen this card and sodalite crystal, let's see what is your message for the month of October. So what I'm going to do is, first I will talk about the general energy for the month, then career and finances, then love, then blessings for the month of October, then in messages from ancestors and angel for the month of October, then advice, guidance for the month of October, and last is the wisdom from spirit. Okay, so that is going to be the reading. So the first card, the first card that you have chosen is High Priestess card. So it's like for the month of October, you will, I feel like spirit is saying to listen to your intuition more. Maybe go out, connect with moon, like I feel like you will be releasing a lot in the month of October. So using that phase of moon, when after the full moon, the moon reduces, right? So at that time, use that time to let go of the things that are not important in your life. I feel like use that period to let go of your past, let go of that situations, that toxic situation. Yeah, so I feel, look, we have a storm here. I have never seen that here, but there is a storm here. So you are overcoming the storm in the month of October. You are getting in touch with yourself. So maybe for some of you, I feel like you were so into this physical world, so outside, you were not listening to your intuition. You were not in touch with your intuitive intuition. I feel like you were trying to prove yourself to other people. You were doing things for other people. But what I see for October, that is changing. You're letting go of these kind of people. You're letting go of situations. You're letting go of toxic environment. You're letting go of your habits that are not good for you. You're letting go, the storm is going away for you guys. That is what I feel like. Okay, and you're getting in touch with your intuition. You're relaxing, you're taking time off, you're releasing your emotions, and with this black butterfly, things are changing. Your way of viewing things is changing. So that is what I feel. Group number 2, and with the keys, for some of you, I even see there is a movement happening. You might move from one place to another. That is strongly, I feel, for you guys. There is movement, releasing lot of things from the past. So yeah, releasing it, emotion. So for some of you, it's like emotionally releasing it. For others, it's like you're releasing and moving physically. So yeah, you are moving away from the storm. So maybe September month was a little heavy for you guys, but you're releasing that in the month of October. You're getting in touch with your intuition. You're taking your spiritual practice very seriously, and I even feel like that with this high priestess, lot of truth is coming out, and this truth will set you free in the month of October. Okay, this will give you the wisdom, the key to unlock, right? So yeah, you were not clear, you were foggy, but in the month of October, you are getting that wisdom, knowledge, and you're moving forward. Okay, so that is something I feel like, but it's going to be very much of a, don't take too much on yourself in the month of October. Take one step at a time, slowly move forward. Okay, so let's say the overall energy, you have like 2 cards, and this is like, look, deceit and journey. You're moving away from toxic people. So definitely for some of you there is a breakup happening, or it has already happened and you have moved on. You are moving away from maybe you used to stay together, maybe moving away from this person's place. Maybe you are realizing this person is a deceit, like maybe your friend groups. So yeah, this person is someone who is like working behind the curtains. So you didn't know that this person was the one who was trying to shame you or put you in guilt, like maybe gossiping about you, or maybe even a person, if this is a partner of yours, they might be cheating on you. So you have seen the truth. Now you are out of that situation, you're moving forward, you're packing your bags and you're leaving. Okay, so it can be in your career also, where you are co-workers, or you're someone who was like trying to shame you, trying to manipulate you, whatever it is. You are out of that toxic environment and you are moving forward. For some of you it can be a new job, you're moving forward to a new place. For some of you it's your own habits that was causing problems. You're moving away from those habits of yours, those fears, those limited beliefs. You're understanding that. So yeah, there is a lot of spiritual progress happening for you guys in the month of October. Learning about yourself, learning about your own fears, learning about the things that you do that is not good for yourself. Sometimes our own habits come in between our success, right? You're understanding that and you're moving away from that all. It's a journey, it's a new beginning for you guys. Look, we have number 2, balance. You're going towards balance, partnership, good partnership. For some of you it's like you were away from your family members. You were in a place where you used to work, but in that place there were a lot of toxic people. So you're leaving that toxic people and moving away, moving to your family home again, something like that. For some of you that's a specific message, but you are moving away. You're packing your bags, you're moving away from this toxic environment. Maybe there were people who used to cheat for money also. Maybe someone has taken money from you, and finally you're understanding who is this person, and the truth is revealed, and now you're setting yourself free. Yeah, the thing is like you're setting yourself from yourself free. You're feeling free, you're going to feel free. Like, look, this cat is watching the storm passing. It's going away, it's not coming. Okay, it's going away. So the storm has gone. Now this person is out of your life. Now the situation is out of your life. Or maybe a habit of yours, you're understanding that this habit of yours was not good and you're changing it. So this is like a new journey, new life, overall new life, and you're ready for it. Okay, new job, maybe new job for some of you, new home, new place. Okay, so yeah, it's a journey. It's a beginning of a new journey, new creative project, understanding your own habits, changing your routine. For some of you, getting in touch with your spirituality, spending more time in nature, relaxation. For some of you it can be a vacation also, moving far away from this person, going on a vacation, enjoying spending time with yourself, and maybe calling your friends and going with your friends. So yeah, definitely a lot of change. Okay, so let's see your career. Look, we have death and rebirth and Knight of Pentacles. Interestingly, this is your theme. So maybe for some of you it's your career, because we have death and rebirth here. So yeah, this is a major transformation for you guys. So maybe in your work area there is transformation. You're letting go of one position, maybe entering to a different position in your workplace. Maybe it's like this is a very slow thing, right? Things are slow, but you're going to be very stable, because Knight of Pentacles is a very slow moving energy, but it is very stable, it's very organized, right? So your finances are also going to be little slow, but it will be very organized. It will be like whatever it is, I feel like everything will be okay-ish, right? For your finances, you're not going to struggle. It will be an average thing, I feel like it, okay, with this Nine of Pentacles. And yes, definitely for some of you, you are moving jobs, to a higher paying job. Okay, I am getting that also. For some of you it's like a position, a good position, your hard work is paying off, finally you're receiving that position. So a change in position, a change in your workplace. For some of you, definitely quitting your job, moving towards a different place, slowly but surely organizing yourself. Okay, you have saved also. For some of you, you have saved money, so it will be so the money will be there. So money will be good. I feel like it was going to be okay for you guys, money wise. Okay, you'll not be struggling with money in the month of October, but definitely there is a huge transformation for you guys. Yeah, it's like your overall energy is that you're moving away from toxic environment to a place where you will be happy, where you will be connected to yourself, where you will be feeling stable. Okay, so maybe for some of you it's like if you are learning, if you're graduating, maybe some sort of change like that also is happening. Graduating, moving to the next thing in your life, slowly but surely moving ahead in your life, organizing things, planning for things, maybe planning to study further. That is also for some of you, like journey, because we have a journey. So yeah, maybe moving to a new place to learn something new. But definitely there is a change for you guys with this death card. Okay, for some of you, your position, you're getting a good position, the position you have been working on. So finances also look good for you guys. I feel like it's going to be stable. You will not be that much worried about your finances. It's going good. Okay, so yeah, so there is a lot of changes for you guys in the month of October. The way you see things, the way you new beginnings for you guys, new area of study for some of you, new job, new like there is some sort of raise in salary also. I feel for many of you, like you're understanding your own worth. So yeah, there is transformation. Things are going slow but steady. So don't be worried if you feel like the progress is slow, or maybe you graduated and you're very happy, you celebrated about it, but now you want a new job. Maybe things will be slow for you guys, but don't worry about it, because wherever if you will get a job that is good for you guys. So if you're looking for a job, it might be slow progress, but the place you will get the job will be good for you guys. Okay, so yeah, definitely we have journey. So maybe for some of you, graduating and you're moving into a new place for work. Okay, so that's there. Yeah. Okay, so maybe for some of you, you're facing your own fears. You're maybe for some of you, you used to self-sabotage yourself. You're letting go of it. Now you're ready, you're confident, now you're moving ahead. Okay, so let's see what else is for your love life. Oh, look at it. Okay, we have this makes, we have this Deceit and journey. So, and we have 3 of Swords and 4 of Swords energy healing your heart, right? So for many of you, there has been disappointments. Someone has broken your heart, someone has broken your trust. It maybe it can be related to your career. Okay, maybe you thought that you would be able to get that position, you didn't get, but you will get something better. Okay, so if that is the case, if you didn't get a job that you dreamt of, you will get a better job. Maybe the trust. Okay, trust right now. Okay, trust, that's the thing for the month of October. And look, I'm getting this autumn season, and October is really autumn season, right? So it's about letting go of the things, letting go of the past, moving forward. So you're letting go of the pain, you're healing your pain. Okay, so maybe for some of you, literally you have broken your leg, and because of it you're not able to move forward. So you have to relax, you have to sit in one place. So you're feeling very stressed. Oh my God, why did this happen? I have to rest now, I cannot do the work, I cannot go to work, I have to heal. So it's okay, you will be so yeah, you will heal your body. Definitely that's something you need to rest right now, take care of your body. Look, we have High Priestess also. So the storm is passing away, you need to connect with your spirituality, you need to relax, you need to take a break, you need to take a vacation, think through. Yeah, with this journey also, vacation, thinking truly, right? Making the next steps. So yeah, don't make a decision based on this heartbreak. Okay, because sometimes when we are sad, we make decisions, and that decisions will never be good for us, right? So it's important you release this thing, and then you are healing, and of course healing is a process. So you will be taking your time, relaxing, thinking through, connecting with your intuition, and then making the decision. But definitely your whatever has broken your heart, you're healing your heart, okay? You're healing the thing, you're letting go of it, you're releasing it. Your whole theme is about it. And interestingly, it's so everything is connected. Your I feel for this part, it's like your career is connected. Your maybe for some of you, your heart got broken because of your career, because you had to leave your friends, because you're graduating. So it's a new journey. At the same time, for some of you, someone has broken your trust, but you're healing it, right? So whatever it is, you're leaving the past behind. You're ready for a new journey. There is a lot of spiritual transformation that is happening for you guys. And yeah, you're healing yourself, you're healing your body. For some of you, your health is healing. Yeah, your health is also healing. You're recovering from your past. Maybe for some of you, mental health also, you might have gone through depression or something like that. That is also healing for you guys. So yeah, it's a month of healing, it's a month of releasing, it's a month for going slow but stable, okay? Don't take drastic steps this month. Relax, connect with your intuition, and then take the next step, okay? But there is travel, there is travel for some of you, like traveling. For some of you, it's like spiritual traveling, right? Spiritually, spiritual movement, like spiritually progressing, understanding things at a deeper level. Truth is coming out. You are understanding things, why this has to happen. You're healing your heart. So there is a lot of healing happening for you guys. You're releasing the people, a lot of people who have broken your heart, situations that have broken your heart, okay? And you're healing it, okay? So for some of you, I even feel like you're gaining your confidence back. Your connection with yourself is good now. You're listening to your inner self now. That is also, I feel, yeah, listening to your inner self more and more now. Trusting, like relaxing, spending quality time in nature, and then asking yourself why this happened. Then you're getting your answers. So it's like it's for some of you, I even feel like it's a spiritual awakening that is happening for many of you. So you are leaving your past self. You know, sometimes our past self might have made mistakes. You know, we as humans have so much. Sometimes we have that anger, that envy, that jealousy. Maybe for some of you, you're releasing that, you're healing that, you're understanding your own past mistakes. You're forgiving yourself, you're forgiving others. It's like cleansing month for you guys. Maybe that is what you need to do in the month of October. Release all the old, and because now it's autumn season, like releasing, let go of that, shed that leaves, shed that things that are not serving you. And it's now time to be a new person, right? It's time for a new adventure, okay? But this adventure will be very slow, so be organized. Journaling will be very good for you guys, okay? If you don't have a journal, I will recommend you get a journal where you can write your emotions. What do you feel intuitively? How are your emotions? If you feel sad, write it down, because it will help you. You know, sometimes we feel like, oh, that writing is not going to help. No, trust me, writing will help you. Journaling will help you, okay? It will help you heal, and healing is a process. It takes time. It is not sometimes people feel like only physical injuries needs time. You know, in our culture also people feel like that. Oh, if we broke our leg, we need 1 month time to, yeah, they will take 1 or 2 months time to heal it. They will be like that. But when it comes to our emotions, people are like, why are you not getting up? Why do the things? Why are you like this? Why are you sitting in your bed? Why are you sleeping all the time? People will not understand it. But you need to understand that mentally also things will take time. Mentally healing is also a journey, is also a process. It will take time. So don't force yourself. If you feel like you need to relax one day, if you feel like you don't want to work, you just want to sleep, take note of that. Listen to your intuition, okay? But there's a lot of releasing happening for you guys. What is a blessing? I feel a blessing of a friend for you guys with this privileged lady. For some of you, I even feel like this person might help you with money. So this person might be a blessing for you guys. Or if you're a male watching it, I feel like some friend, a female friend, might help you with money, or a female friend who will give you guidance at this time. Maybe this person will help you emotionally, financially. So this person is a is a blessing for you guys in the month of October. Maybe this is your friend who you will be traveling with, this person might be the one who you will be sharing your thoughts, your emotions with. So yes, a person is there in your life who is going to help you in certain way. Maybe your friend, maybe your sister, maybe your partner. For some of you there is partner also, because this is a general reading. For some of you, your heart got broken because of a career situation. Maybe for some of you it's in your love life, so your friends are helping you. So it's like different scenario here. So yeah, so but there is a person who will help you. For if you're struggling financially, you will be provided financially also. So don't worry about, don't stress, release. This month is all about releasing, taking slow things, things slowly. Yes, you have overcome something, some heartbreak, so it's time to heal it. Take things very slowly, release this stuff. It will take time. Be patient with yourself, okay? Don't do anything in a hurry, okay? So yeah, look, your messages from your angels and ancestors. Yes, you're shedding your old skin again, letting go of the things, becoming a new self, letting go of the old, shedding the skin. And the shedding process is not easy. It's not easy. This is going to be a little bit tough for you guys, but it will be worth it, okay? Because you will learn a lot of lessons. You're letting go of all the past mistakes, you're letting go of people. You will be crying, you will be, yeah, cry, scream, release all that. If you want to think, maybe this person can be your therapist also, who will be a blessing for you, or a spiritual person who will help you, or maybe mother. But I'm not getting mother vibes here, because I'm feeling this might be a younger person that who will help you. Maybe this can be your younger sister who will help you. Yeah, someone who will be who will understand you. You know, they will understand what you're going through. They will be very kind to you, okay? Maybe your friend, okay? So yeah, but you're definitely shedding that old skin. You're becoming a new person overall again. So be in that Nine of Pentacles. Like Knight of Pentacles is a slow moving energy. Be slow. You don't have to, nothing is going to nothing is going anywhere. So take your time, slow down. Take that time to heal, okay? Take that time to heal. Yes, you have lost something. Take that time to heal. Don't let anyone tell you that why are you taking this much time. Don't let that. Take your time, okay? So let's see what is the advice. Look, clean it up again. It's like cleaning it up, like letting go of all the things. Like, look, we have the the leaves are shedding, so clean that leaves. We have a broom, clean all that energy. Maybe for some of you it's an advice to clean your room. So when our room is messy, we feel very messy, so it's important that you clean your house, clean your room, organize things, because we have Knight of Pentacles also. Maybe you need to organize your documents, something like that. Organize it, keep it nicely. Organize your room, wardrobe. If you want to let go of the things like clothes, do that. Let go of certain items that are not serving you in any way. Maybe you haven't used an item for 1 year. If you haven't used it, maybe it's time to let go of that. Clean that space. Maybe sage yourself. That is what is the guidance from spirit for the month of October. It's all about cleaning. It's all about maybe for some of you it's a Halloween month, so maybe you will be decorating. So yeah, clean it up, decorate it to your taste. To your taste, that will make you happy. So yeah, that's the thing. Cleaning up your emotions also, your past emotions that are not good for you guys. So this is the month of cleaning up, releasing, right? And taking it slow. Okay, so what is the wisdom from spirit for you guys, from God, from you guys? We have offerings of devotion. So maybe for some of you this is a message to offer something to us, God. Maybe light a candle, that will be helpful. Or if you go to, if you have a temple nearby, maybe go and offer some flowers. That will be very good for you guys, okay? If one offers me with love and devotion of a flower, fruit, a leaf, or even water, I accept it. Whatever you do or eat, whatever you offer or give away, whatever assurities you perform, do as an offering unto me. I'm sorry about that word. Okay, yeah, sorry for that pronunciation. So yeah, maybe make an offer, maybe just light a candle, maybe just offer water, maybe make a sweet dish and offer to your ancestors, to your spirit guides, to God. Just do that. It will be very helpful for you guys for this releasing, because you're healing. The source of all, and the source of all spiritual material universe, for everything emanates from me knowing this. The wise engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. Okay, so with this, I feel like the source of all, it's like the universe is with you at this time. I feel like that. Yeah, Vishnu is the he's the protector, right? I feel like that. The protector is with you, the universe is with you, the universe has its back right now. Pray. I feel like that prayer will be very important for you guys at this time, because you're releasing a lot of old stuff, you're releasing your past self, you're becoming a new person. So yeah, this is little bit difficult for you guys, but universe is telling you that universe is with you, they are protecting you, they are guiding you, they are giving you messages, and this is this thing right now, you're releasing a lot of things, this is for your own good. So yeah, so that is for you guys. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you have chosen this carnelian crystal, let's see what is your message for the month of October. So first we will do the general overview of the month, then we will go to career and finances, then love, then blessings, then messages from your ancestors and angels, then guidance for you guys from spirit and wisdom from spirit. Okay, so that is how I'm gonna do the reading. So the first card you have drawn is King of Swords, and look at this, the king is like sharpening his knife, right? So this month is all about sharpening your skills, not doubting yourself. Maybe there will be a time where you will be doubting your own skills, your talents. So it's time to be in your power, because King of Swords is someone who is very very strong person, who believes in himself. He will never give up, he's strong, he's insensitive sometimes, but definitely they make, I feel like King of Swords is someone who makes decisions for the betterment of everyone. I feel like that. Yeah, I'm getting that energy here. So if there are arguments between people, don't take one side because because that one person is your friend. Don't do that. Be fair. That is going to be very important for you guys for the month of October. In your workplace, be fair with other people, in your relationship. So don't take sides because you are close with that person. Don't do that. Okay, without thinking, don't do that. Be fair with everyone. Okay, and maybe you need to be fair with yourself. You need to trust your own abilities, and if you feel like you're lacking something, if you feel like you're lacking in your communication, maybe you need to work on that. Maybe you need to sharpen that skills, right? Maybe you need to take an extra course, maybe you need to work on that. So that is something for October. Maybe for some of you, you will be like you will be feeling like, yes, I want to take this extra course. Just go ahead. Maybe you want to improve your communication, so just watch certain like I feel like for English, maybe if you watch movies and read the subtitles, it might help for your language, if that is what you want to do. If you're wanting to learn a different language like that, maybe you can do that. For some of you, I feel like you're trying to learn a different language, maybe different language, or maybe or maybe it's a skill that you're learning. So just watch videos, or maybe seek a mentor, or take an online course that will help you definitely. Okay, so it's October month is for you guys, is for sharpening your skills, to be fair. I feel like that, to be don't take sides. Okay, don't take sides. That is what I feel like. Don't take sides because you're close to one person. That doesn't mean that the other person is wrong. Sometimes we do that, isn't it? Because we love someone, even though they are wrong, we take sides. Don't do that. Okay, so be fair. And we have a spider also. So it's like spiders. Look, spider. They do that. They make that web. So they are very. I feel like you're very protected from the negative energies. Also, I am getting like that. It's you're very protected. Very protected. And sometimes small things are also good. So when you small things are also good. So if you get small victories, small wins, celebrate that. Okay, sometimes we don't do that, right? So it's important you celebrate your small wins. So let's see the overall energy. Wow, this is good. Okay guys, for you guys October looks good because angel of balance is there, so things are balancing for you guys. Maybe career is going to be balanced, love life, you will be able to maintain that balance between love life and your career. Maybe you will have extra time so you can sharpen your skills, or maybe you will have a hobby that you can spend time in, right? So everything looks good for you guys in the months. Everything is balanced, nothing is like too, yeah, it's not, when things are balanced, isn't that's the most beautiful thing, right? So for you guys things are balanced, and I'm getting this pyramids also. Maybe for some of you you're planning to travel to Egypt, or maybe that's what you want to do in your life. Maybe start manifesting that. I feel like maybe something related to Egypt, I don't know, but maybe you're trying to learn about that Kabbalion. Why I'm getting that Kabbalion, the hermit laws, I'm not so sure about that, but yeah, something like that, the book like Kabbalion. Maybe maybe you want to learn about it, maybe you want to dig deeper into esoteric knowledge, or how the universe works, laws of universe, or secrets of universe, or esoteric or occult information. Maybe for some of you about Egypt or something like cultural thing, you want to dig into it. Maybe you will be doing that, but definitely there is a lot of balance. Everything is balanced. Your heart chakra, I'm getting this heart chakra, your heart chakra is open and vibrating, so you're full of good vibes. I'm getting your October month will be full of good vibes for you guys. Okay, everything is yeah, it's nothing is going to be too bad, also nothing is going to be too good. Everything will be an average, like everything is going to be balanced. You will be happy. Okay, yeah, there is a lot of peaceful energy, I feel like. Okay, let's see your career. We have 4 of Wands. Wow. And we have King of Wands. Oh, interesting. So yeah, if you had some problem with your boss, I feel like the problems are going to be resolved very soon with this King of Wands energy. Maybe there was a person who was little bit trying to make you do things that you didn't want to do it, but finally you're making peace with it. Finally you're speaking. Yeah, for some of you, your communication skills, you need to communicate your truth. So if you don't want to do certain things, say it out that I don't want to do this. So maybe in your company you are given the work that you don't want to do. So if you don't want to do something, speak it out. Okay, don't keep it to yourself. Don't say always yes. Maybe you will have to say no. And yeah, you're going to be very courageous with this line, I feel like. So if you work in a corporate job or something, like, you're going to be very courageous, you're going to speak your truth. And in that, in that work area also, you as I told you, be fair with other people. Okay, that is very important. And with this 4 of Wands, I feel like there is going to be something that you will be celebrating. Maybe you will get extra money, or yeah, I don't know, maybe a raise or something like that for some of you, so you'll be celebrating it. Yeah, or maybe you're saving up for home, and finally you will be able to buy that home. But definitely your career looks good, because with this 4 of Wands energy, it's stable energy, it's secure energy. And look, these 2 women are celebrating, so you have the money to celebrate with your friends. So money wise also things are looking good. You're in your power, you have that finances, you're saving money, at the same time you're spending money. So with this angel of balance also, I'm getting you will be in the money wise also, everything will be balanced. Like, you will have enough to spend, you will have enough to save, right? So yeah, I feel like maybe for some of you there will be a tendency that you will be partying a lot. Maybe you will be spending money on partying a lot. So in that might be an advice for some of you, not to do that much. Don't, everything should be in balance. Spending money, or maybe don't be for some of you it's like you will not be spending money too much. Maybe that is also the case for some of you. So you need to have a balance between spending money and saving money, okay, in the month of October. But definitely you are in your power. I feel you're feeling like, yes, I can do this. If you work from home, I feel like you will get different opportunities also. If you're freelancers, I feel like you will be able to express yourself, you will get opportunities. If you work, if you're an influencer, maybe you will have different opportunities coming your way. But whenever you get an opportunity, be clear what you expect from them, okay? And if they say that you need to do this, don't say yes even though you don't like to do it. So don't take opportunity for the sake of money. That is something I feel like, okay? So yeah, but there is celebration, there is happiness, there is victory. Maybe for some of you, your month will, you might get the employee of the month or something like that by the end of the October. So you'll be feeling powerful, you'll be feeling happy. So if you work from home also, I feel like there is a lot of celebration. Maybe you will achieve a milestone. For some of you, there is graduation. I don't know why. Group number 1 also there was a graduation thing, but you're celebrating things like graduation party. You're graduating, feeling happy. Now you're ready to move forward. You're ready to seek jobs. Like so for that, after graduating, you're taking an extra online course. You can sharpen your skills. You can sharpen your abilities. Maybe you're working in a corporate job or working in from home. So maybe you're taking an online course that will help you to achieve more. Sometimes things. Sometimes we need to sharpen our skills, sharpen our talents. Maybe need to learn something extra, or maybe you're reading books, so that will help you advance in your career. So career wise also, I'm feeling it good. You're in your power, you have that fiery energy, you have that passion. For some of you, you want to start your business, or you are a businessman. So I feel like things will be good for you guys there also. If you're entrepreneur, or I feel like that will be good for you guys. If you make money by yourself, if you work, I feel if you work for yourself, if you have a business, these things are going to look good for you guys. Okay. That's good. Oh, look interesting, we have 6 of Cups and Lovers card for love life. Oh my god, interesting soulmate energy for some of you. So if you have been thinking about someone, you will meet them in the month of October. Look, this cat is like thinking about the past. He's like thinking about his memories and all. And then we have this Lovers card where they are meeting. So maybe for some of you, if you're reconciliation, for some of you, you're meeting your past person, or maybe you're thinking about them. So for some of you, it's like you're thinking about them, but something related to past is coming up in your love life. I feel like that. So always trust your intuition. Don't maybe there is a chance that your ex can come back. So be fair with yourself. Don't do something that will make you imbalanced, because you're going very balanced. So don't take someone who will make you imbalanced. Okay, for some of you, this is you're thinking, when will my soulmate come? And that's happening this month. Maybe you will meet this person. Look at that, the 6 and 6. I'm not, I have never gotten like these 2 cards together. And it's like love life. So love life for many of you is like, if you have a crush on I don't know, if you have a crush on someone, maybe this crush of yours also has crush on you. So there is like you're meeting this person, meeting your soulmate. For some of you, friendship wise also, you're meeting your soulmate. Maybe this can be a friendship thing also, meeting your friends, making new friendship, and this friendship is like it's a soulmate connection. That can also happen. But love wise also, I feel like a soulmate is coming your way. That's what I have to say with these 2 cards. A soulmate is coming your way. Like, look, this person is alone here. This cat is alone. He's sad. He's thinking, where is my soulmate? Everyone is in relationship. And then like you're manifesting, maybe you're manifesting a relationship, and that's going to happen in the month of October. Like meeting your soulmate, meeting your friends. So a lot of love vibes. And we have 4 of Wands also, celebration. Maybe you will be celebrating with this person. Maybe you will celebrate your birthday with this person, or with your friends, right? Maybe there is a friend who is a soulmate of yours, or maybe this is a past friend you're meeting and you will be celebrating together with this friend. That is also possible. But for some of you, it's like lover from your past. For some of you, lover from your past is coming. Maybe you didn't have a love relationship with this person, but finally you're realizing your love to this person. Maybe you're saying like you're declaring your love to each other. That is something I feel like. So maybe for some of you, you're sharpening your skills on communication. Like you need to communicate your truth to this person, you will be doing that also. Okay, so yeah, from this, like, look, this cat is so sad, he's thinking about the past, he has like been nostalgic, and finally you're meeting this person. Okay, so yeah, so things are going to be very balanced in this relationship also. Things will be very balanced. If it's a friendship, it will be very balanced. If it's a love partnership, this is going to be very balanced for you guys. Okay, so finally you will be very happy. I feel like you'll be celebrating life. Like, these two people are dancing, they are also dancing, maybe dancing, partying, maybe in a party you'll meet this person and you'll click. Yeah, so that is also I'm feeling. So like, meeting people, maybe you'll go to a birthday party where you will meet this person and you'll be celebrating, a lot of celebration music. I'm feeling like that, music, celebration, dancing, reunions. Okay, for you guys. So let's see what is the blessing for you guys. Oh, look, we have concern, and this came for a blessing. So yes, your concerns are going to fade away. For some of you, you're very concerned about your love life. Maybe you're single and you're thinking, when will I have this person? And finally that concern is going to go away, because you'll be meeting this person in the month of October. And for some of you, it's about your career. Maybe you're very concerned about your career. Things are going to be good. You will be good. So don't worry right now. Don't worry, your concerns are going to fade away. All that you're thinking right now, if you're stressing about things, that's just a concern. You don't have to worry about that. That is what is your blessing. All your tension is going to go away, all your stress is going to go away. You will be able to make things happen for yourself in the month of October, because everything looks beautiful, everything looks balanced and harmonious. Okay, so let's see what is the message from your angel and ancestors. Embrace the energy of peace. Yeah, look, we have concerns. So that is what you maybe there is a tendency for you guys to stress a lot. Okay, so so yeah, that's the thing. You can walk away from that stress, and that's what your angel and ancestors are telling you to do right now. I feel like right now they're telling you to embrace the energy of peace, because these concerns are just your concerns. It's not going to manifest for you guys. Okay, this is all your stress, this is all the things that you're making up in your head. So don't do that. Okay, maybe if you're single, you're like, oh my god, I'll never be in a relationship, I will never have a good relationship. Maybe you don't have friends and you're like, I'll never have good friends, and maybe you're stressing about your career. So something is imbalanced in you. That is what you need to balance right now. Embrace the energy of peace. Peace is what you need to do, and peace comes from meditation, or maybe listening to meditation music, meeting talking with the people you love, trust. That is something you need to do right now. Okay, that's what your angels and ancestors are telling you. And then your guidance is by the book. Okay, look, following the books. So yeah, don't do something. Maybe you need to follow the rules. That is something divine is saying. Follow the rules. Don't break any rules. Maybe traffic rules or something like that. Maybe you will have a tendency to break that rules. So don't do that. Don't break rules. Okay. So maybe yeah, buy the book. So that's what I feel like. Look, maybe for some of you there is a mentor. With this King of Wands also, I feel like there is a mentor who will guide you. Maybe you need to follow that mentor. This mentor will give you guidance. That is very good. So in relationship also, don't break any rules. Yeah, or maybe for some of you, this by the book, I'm getting that spirit is saying you need to get more knowledge about certain things. You will receive knowledge. Okay, yeah, taking an extra online course or something like that is going to be very beneficial for you guys. Okay, don't doubt your capabilities. Instead, just do something extra. Maybe read a book. Try to, if you feel like, yeah, I have to work on this, just work on that instead of doubting your skills. Okay, that is something I feel like. So I feel the only thing that is problem that will be like a little bit concerned about is your own stress. You overthinking something about overthinking, or maybe you will break certain rules, like driving when you're driving, you will not follow the traffic rules, or maybe using mobile while driving. So that's something you need to be aware of. Okay, so that's some, I don't know, that's a very specific message. So if you are if you feel like you will do that, if you're doing that right now, stop doing it. Okay, stop that. That's something I felt. Okay, so drive properly, follow all the rules. That's something spirit is saying for the month of October. Okay, maybe you will be late for a party and you will be like driving very fast. So don't do that. Even, or you will drink and you will drive. So be aware of it, guys. Okay. So the last cards for you guys, last messages. We have doubting soul. So yeah, maybe for some of you, you're doubting your own creativity. You're doubting that you will never meet this person. You're doubting your stressed about things, but this is all going to fade away for you guys in the month of October. And don't doubt, Ganesha is with you. If you are devotees of Ganesha, Ganesha is saying that all the road will be cleared. So all you need to do is to have that balance your mind and heart, right? So maybe meditation will be very, very important for you guys. Okay, there is a lot of growth, a lot of happiness for you guys. Everything is going to be balanced. But sometimes what happens is, when we are victorious, when we achieve small victories, when we are, even though there is happiness, sometimes we feel like, oh, we are not doing that good, and then we doubt ourselves. Even though you win, you get some, you achieve some of your goals, then you are like on to the next goal. You're not fully being happy for the achievement. So you need to be more happy for your own achievements. That is something I feel. So embrace that peace. You're like, if you achieve one thing, then you're on to the next thing. No, don't do that. Okay, don't do that. Feel that emotions, be happy, celebrate it. So yeah, don't doubt your skills. Instead improve. Okay, don't doubt yourself, don't doubt your own soul, don't doubt yourself. That is the thing. But the ignorant and faithless person who doubts the truth will forever be lost. The doubting soul is happy neither in this life or in the next. So it's important that you don't doubt yourself, don't doubt your skills, be proud, have faith in your journey, because everything is going good for you guys. So if you feel like that you need to polish your skills, do that instead of doubting, right? Sometimes what we do is we only doubt and we don't do the work. So instead of doing that, doubting, false ego. Doubting, sometimes what happens, because of our ego we doubt ourselves, because ego tells us that we are not good enough, we will not be able to make it. This is all your ego. This is your false ego that you need to get rid of. Okay, that is something it's coming up. Okay, under the influence of the three modes of material nature, think themselves to be doer of activities which are in actuality carried out by nature. So that's the thing, you need to let go of this false ego. False ego. I don't know why I'm getting lost. So maybe for some of you need to work on that also. Okay, so don't doubt yourself, go by the book, don't break any rules. I'm getting traffic rules for some of you. And of course, don't doubt your skills. Doubt is not good right now for you guys. Doubt will never lead you to the path that you want to, and it will only take away from you. It will not give you that happiness. Sometimes in the present moment we are happy, we are doing things, then you doubt yourself. What is the use? Because that happiness will not be there when we doubt ourselves, right? So don't let that concern come in your way. So, but that is, I feel like that is the blessing. So you will be letting go of your concerns, and that is what you need to work on. Okay, that's it for love, my lovelies. Bye bye. Take care. Group number 2. Group number 3, if you have chosen this citrine crystal, let's see what is your message. And I'm getting confidence is the key to success for you guys in the month of October. So if you are not confident about yourself, if you're not confident about if you're someone who sells products, if you're not confident about it, how other people will buy? That is what I feel like. So you need to be confident about yourself, the products you're creating. If you're creating something new, be confident about yourself. If you're an artist, if you create art, be confident about it. And sometimes what happens is, like, if you're an artist, like, people tell you, oh, that art don't, it's not too much, that's too much of charge, don't take that. Okay, don't take that from other people. Charge wisely. Charge, if you feel like this art of yours is like it should be like $5,000, then charge $5,000. That is what I feel like. Be confident about it. Okay, don't let your because you feel like, oh my god, that's too much and I cannot charge, even though I have worked hard for it. Sometimes we feel like that. Sometimes other people make us feel like that. So don't do that. Okay, stand your ground on that. I feel like that is something Spirit is saying. Don't let yourself down. Don't let that insecurity come in between. Sometimes insecurity, oh, if I don't sell it for like $1,000, no one will buy for 5,000, so I have to reduce the price. Sometimes we feel like that. We need to reduce the price. We need to let ourselves low, because that's not even though we don't want to do it, but we feel like that we are not worthy for that. So don't let that happen. So don't let your pride like, yeah, sometimes our pride, yeah, don't let your self-esteem, I feel like low self-esteem for some of you, you might so for some of you it's like you might doubt that. So yes, so sometimes it's like self-confidence also, like we have that low self-confidence, we feel like that, oh, our work is not good, or maybe you're a perfectionist and you judge your work. So don't do that, okay? Be confident about your work, be confident about your passion, be confident, okay? Confidence is the key to success for you guys overall month. Yeah, there will be naysayers, there will be people who will say, oh god, this is not good and all, but there will be people, if you trust, if you believe that you are worthy, you will be able to sell the art for like $5,000. So that's what I feel like. Don't let other people say what's good. Don't let other people tell you that that's not worthy. Don't let that happen, okay? In the month of October, you're very skilled people also. I feel like you have been working on your skills, you have been working on your hobbies. Be proud of it. You're doing the work, okay? You're doing the work. I feel like that you have, sometimes you are doing a lot of work for, and when an artist paints, they invest so much. They invest money also, they buy the paint and they invest their time, like the effort, so much of their learning, right? So yeah, you're putting it. So don't let your insecurities come in between, or don't let your so low self-esteem or lack of self-confidence I'm getting. So you need to work on that, I feel like, okay? That is the area you need to work on. You will be working, I feel like you will be working on your spirituality this month. You'll be working on your own progress. Yeah, you're progressing slowly but surely. You're progressing on your path, you're progressing on your business, you're progressing on your creativity. Maybe you're writing a book or whatever it is. I feel a lot of progress is what is happening for you guys in the month of October. A lot of progress, okay? So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to fall down, because you will get up, because you're strong, okay? That's the thing. So let's see what is the overall energy for you guys. Oh my god, look, this card is so beautiful. Door to Spirit, and I'm feeling a lot of peacefulness for you guys. You will be so connected to the divine. So lot of creative ideas. Expect a lot of creative ideas from Spirit for you guys. Creative solutions. So if you're going through some problems, you will get creative solutions because you're so connected with Spirit. So meditate every day. Meditate, guys, because you are progressing on your spiritual path. You're moving forward, you're making a connection with the universe, you're very connected to the divine. So divine will give you answers, will show you signs. So be aware of it. So if you are facing a problem in your life, just ask signs from Spirit. Spirit will give you signs in the month of October. So you're going to be very, very connected. So all you need to know is all you need to know right now is, like, for the month of October, be in the present moment, okay? Don't overthink about your future. I feel like you're cutting codes, guys. I feel like you're cutting codes, you're releasing worn out situations, people. You're releasing that, okay? And so there is nothing in past anymore, and the future hasn't happened yet, right? So all you need to focus is in your present moment. Meditate, make a connection. Your connection is very strong. For some of you, you're very clairvoyant also. You can see things. Your dreams are very important for you guys. So track your dreams, guys, because Spirit is giving you a lot of messages. Track your signs. I'm not saying you need to be every time you have to, like, sometimes people do overly see all the signs and make it up. So don't do that. When you feel like, oh, this is a sign from Spirit, just that's enough for you guys, okay? For some of you, you will not be seeing that signs. So be aware of it, okay? But a lot of peace, a lot of peace. You will be very peaceful. Like, happiness is peace, isn't it? That is what I feel like. So I am getting, only you need to work on is your self-confidence. Divine is with you. Universe is with you, okay, guys? So let's see. Wow, we have, for career, we have the Empress and Queen of Swords. Whoa, what you need will be provided to you, guys. You don't have to worry about. And again, the Empress is all about creativity, right? We were talking about creative thing, artist, right? For some of you, you're waiting your creative ideas to be birthed, right? So you have a lot of creative ideas, you're working on it, and things will move forward. And with this Queen of Swords, what I told you, Maybe there will people come and say that this work is not that much money. You need to open up, you need to say your truth, that I have invested my time, I have done this much work on this project, so I need that much money, because it's your right. So don't lower your standards, okay? That is something I feel like, because for the sake of other people, don't lower your standards. Be like, I have done this much work, I deserve this. I have been working on this project for so long, I have been investing my time, I have been learning, reading, researching, I have been connecting with spirit, I have been you have been doing that inner work also. So yeah, so whatever you're creating, it's worth it, and this creation of yours will give you a lot of abundance also. So yeah, this is a very good time, because with this Empress energy, a lot of creative ideas, a lot of communication is happening. For some of you, you will be getting a lot of collaboration also if you work from home, or if you work for yourself. If you have a business, there is growth happening, because with this Empress, she is pregnant, isn't it? So yeah, and when you're pregnant, growth happens. The child inside is growing, isn't it? For you guys also, you're growing, you're progressing in your career, things are moving forward. Yeah, sometimes the growth is little bit painful sometimes. When you're pregnant, you have to go through checkups, you cannot do the daily activities. Sometimes you feel like you have to rest, you feel very tired, you will not be able to sleep, right? When a lady is pregnant, she has to go through so many things. So for some of you in your career also, when things are growing, it will be uncomfortable for you guys, little bit uncomfortable, but the end result is going to be so beautiful. You will be so happy. There is so much abundance for you guys, okay? And I'm feeling with this Empress also, I'm getting you need to make a balance between your divine feminine and divine masculine, okay? So maybe when you start working, you work, you don't even remember to eat food, that kind of work. You exhaust yourself, right? Don't let that happen. So you need to have a balance. So when you're working, you need to take break also. So you can work for like 3 hours, take a 15 minutes break, right? If you're studying also, right? If you're studying, just continuously don't study, right? So just take break, maybe do some activities that will help you boost your energy, maybe take small naps, okay? That is always very good for you guys, okay? Yeah, maybe for some of you literally pregnant and working on your projects, so take breaks, guys. Make your health a priority. Yeah, if you're pregnant, don't put too much on yourself. Don't do that. Take that relaxation time. That's very important. So yeah, there should be a balance, very important, because I feel with this Queen of Swords, she is like, I'm getting this masculine energy from her, like she's like, she thinks, I'm getting that kind of energy from Queen of Swords, and Empress is definitely, I'm getting this feminine energy from her. So yeah, there should be a balance in work. Studies also, there should be balance, everything should be balanced. So you work for 1 hour, maybe take a 5 minutes break, relax. That's very important. You need to balance that. Don't overwork yourself, don't try to be perfectionist, okay? That's one thing. And trust your creative ideas. So maybe you will receive some ideas, and sometimes our intellect will say, no, that idea will not work. Don't listen to that. Listen to your intuition and work on it. Work on your creative ideas. Like a lot of creativity I'm seeing for you guys. Making things out of scratch, doing crafts. And these all things will be very good for you guys. You will get a lot of ideas. So if you're working in a corporate field also, you might get a lot of different ideas. So share that ideas. Don't be afraid to share that ideas, okay? Be confident in yourself. Confidence is the key to your success. That is what I feel, okay? So let's see your love life, guys. We have Death and we have Temperance card. So with this, what I feel like is self-love. I'm getting a lot of self-love for you guys, like end of a toxic situation. You're releasing, you're cutting codes with people. Maybe it can be a past lover, it can be relationship with your family members also, right? For some of you, you're healing. Maybe your passed on loved one has passed away, and you're healing, you're balancing, right? With this Temperance card, you're giving it to the divine, you're surrendering, you're not overthinking about things, you're not overthinking about relationship, you're not overthinking about your past. You are in this, I told you to be in the present moment, and that is what is for you guys for in the love life also. You need to be in the present moment. You don't have to think about the past, why this happened. Yeah, the past is over. It's gone. It's done. Right now, be in the present moment, enjoy the luxuries of your life, enjoy the things that you have made in your life, enjoy your life, the things that you have. Like look at your surroundings and see what all things you have manifested in your life, what all good things you have. Be thankful for that, give that gratitude to the divine and enjoy that. Okay, so there is a lot of balance. Patience is required for some of you. Okay, there, with this, I'm feeling like you might get impatient. Maybe you are an artist, for example. I'm just saying an example, like you are painting and you get impatient in middle. Oh, I have to finish this painting in this time. No, don't set that time. Okay, relax and do it. Take it slow. Okay, one day at a time, or just think about the next minute. So that should be the thing. Okay, and with this flower, what I feel like, you have gone through a lot in your past, but all that difficulties, all the lessons that you have learned, it's for your own good, and now you're blossoming into such a beautiful flower. So don't let other people tell that you're not worthy. Don't listen to them. You are worthy. Practice self-love. Full moon energies, new moon energies, manifest, do that self-care, go to spa, take care of yourself, buy some good things for yourself, buy the dress you have been wanting to buy. Maybe you want to rearrange your closet, maybe you're planning to let go of old clothes and buy new clothes. Do that. Okay, maybe for some of you I'm seeing a glow up also, like you're like, it's like a rebirth for many of you, like your style is completely changing, you're looking very new, you're glowing up. That is something I'm getting a lot of self love here, loving yourself, taking care of yourself, taking care of your family, being in the present moment, practice mindfulness. That is something I feel like. So many of you are going to practice mindfulness, or maybe this is an advice also to practice mindfulness. But I see balance for you guys, overall balance in your love relationship. Yeah, you're not going to be with someone who is not good for you guys. Yeah. You're not going to be with a person who will trigger you. You will be with people who will give you the space, who will give you the freedom, right? So yeah. So what is your blessing? Look, bad health. So yeah, you're healing. So maybe for some of you, if you have problems related to health, that is healing, that is the blessing. Maybe if you were in a hospital, you will not be in the hospital anymore, you will get discharged. Maybe for some of you, you had certain issues, you are overcoming that. For some of you, mentally, if you were stressed, you are overcoming that. Balance, right? With this Temperance, there is a lot of balance coming your way. So yeah, and with this healing, that is the thing, healing yourself, that is your blessing. Healing, for some of you, healing your financial fears is happening, healing your your back, you're confident. If someone has hurted you in the past, you're releasing that, you're healing yourself. So there's a lot of healing. For some of you, I even feel like your sex life is getting better. So if you had problems there, that is also getting better. If you had problems in your reproductive area, fertility issues, that is also getting better. Yeah, we have Empress and bad health. So maybe for some of you, if you have been trying to conceive, you have been praying, I feel like that issue is also going to be resolved. Practice self-love, be patient. Okay, everything will happen at the correct timing. I'm getting 4 months for you guys. What is that? I don't know why 4 is like very strong for you guys, and 4 is also, maybe you're seeing 444. 4 months from now, or 4 days from now, or 4 weeks from now will be very important, I feel like, for some of you. Okay, I just got. So let's see, what is your message from angels and ancestors? Take charge with authority. Yeah, confidence. Again, I'm getting that confidence. Get up. Even if you fall down, I told you, right? Even if you fall down, you will get up and take charge authority. You have that power. You are the Queen of Swords. You have that power. You are a person who has been between these two. Like, you are very balanced. You know when to relax and you know when to get up. So whenever you get, even if you fall down, you will get up. So what all the things, organize things, what all things you have to do it with confidence. Take charge. Sometimes for some of you, you will relax a lot. Maybe you will procrastinate. For some of you, it's like overwork. For some of you, it's like procrastination. So you need to have a balance. So maybe when you're procrastinating, take charge with authority. Okay, stand up for yourself. Okay, that is something Spirit is saying. Stand up for yourself. Practice self-love. If someone is putting you down, don't let that happen. take stand for yourself. Sometimes we keep quiet because we don't want to hurt other people or we don't like drama, but you need to take stand for yourself. You don't have to say, or you don't have to fight, or you don't have to argue. Just say your point. That's important. Okay, so if you feel like one part of your life or one area of your life you need to take charge of, maybe it's time. It's in the October month you need to take charge of. Okay, I'm getting to write a list of your desires. Yeah, what are you desiring in your life? Write a list of it and take action slowly but surely. Don't try to do everything at once. One step. Okay, so what is the guidance? Oh my god, look at it. Guidance from spirit. The message is blessed. So with this 22 number, what I feel like, balance is there. Divine, you need to make that balance between your divine feminine and divine masculine. So yeah, there will be some, there will be imbalance. Like for some of you working a lot, some of you are not working that much, so you need to make that balance. That is very important. That is the guidance. But you're blessed. Okay, you're blessed. Spirit guides, we have this door to spirit also. Spirit guides, your angels, your ancestors, God, whoever you believe in, they are with you. They're guiding you. They're listening to your prayers. They are telling you that everything will be okay. You don't have to stress about anything. Everything is going the way it should go. Okay, you're blessed. You're blessed, and your prayers are being heard. They are being recognized, and you are worthy. Okay, that's what you need to do, and have that self-confidence. Your work is good. You're doing good. Believe in yourself. Okay, don't let that naysayers, if someone says something bad, don't take it to your heart. Okay, don't take it. That's something I feel like. You're very blessed people, and spirit loves you. Okay, everything is going to be good for you guys. You're going to be blessed in health. You're healing your financial fears. You're healing your past relationship. You're healing yourself. So physically, mentally, there is a lot of healing happening for you guys. Okay, maybe for some of you, you have lost your self-confidence. You're gaining that back. So like a lot of you're blessed. For the month of October, you're blessed. All that you need to know right now. And I even feel with the stars, some of your wishes are coming true. Okay, and we have citrine also. Citrine is also about lucky times, right? So yeah. Let's see. Yeah, look, overcoming fear, wisdom and maintaining balance. Wow, look at it. I was talking about it. You need to maintain that balance, the divine feminine and the divine masculine. That is very important for you guys. That is the thing you need to work on. Okay, that is, you need to balance, and balance comes through meditation, yoga, eating healthy. Everything should be in moderation. Don't try to overindulge in anything. Everything should be in moderation. Like for some of you, you are not eating too much. For some of you are eating a lot. Maybe there should be a balance. Maybe you're eating a lot of junk, or maybe you're only eating healthy food. Maybe you need to be in a balance, or maybe you're drinking over water, drinking a lot of water. No, that should be also in balance. Everything should be in balance. Okay, that is very important for you right now. Okay, one can have no success in yoga if one eats too much or eats too little, nor can one be successful if one sleeps too much or does not sleep any. What I was talking about, right? So that is the thing. And look, overcoming your fear, that is what you need to do. Overcome your fear right now. Don't let fear, don't let fear of naysayers come in between. Like, take your self-confidence back. Be in your power. Be confident about yourself. I told you, if you want to sell that painting of yours for $5,000, yeah, there will people who will come, that's not worthy. They will say. So overcome that fear. You need to overcome that fear. Okay. No effort on the yoga path is ever lost, nor can any obstacle ever hold one back forever. Just a little progress on this path can protect one from the greatest fear. So yeah, so maybe for some of you, you need to take that first step. Maybe you have been thinking to sell this painting of yours, and you are like, no, I cannot sell that for. Maybe you need to take that first step, guys. When you will take that first step, that is when the fear will go away, right? Everything, when you start anything for the first time, you will have that fear. But when you take that first step, that is when the fear will dissolve, right? So yeah, take that first step towards your success. Okay, so that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.